Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry easy. First, let's talk about preparation. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Gather all your ingredients, from your protein and vegetables to your chosen curry paste and liquids. This mise-en-place approach saves time and helps ensure a delicious, stress-free meal. It's the first step to a perfect, easy curry. Now let's build that incredible flavor. Begin by gently sautéing your aromatics, such as finely chopped onion, garlic, and fresh ginger, in a little oil until they become wonderfully fragrant. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in your curry paste and cook it for approximately 1 minute, allowing its spices to bloom. This crucial step truly unlocks the rich, complex taste of your curry. With your flavorful base established, it's time to add the main components. Carefully place your protein, like chicken or chickpeas, and your chopped vegetables into the pot. Then, pour in your liquid, perhaps 1 can of creamy coconut milk or 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly until everything is tender and perfectly infused with flavor. Finally, let's perfect your easy curry. Before serving, always taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a dash of sugar, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. Garnish your beautiful creation with fresh herbs, such as chopped cilantro or basil, for an extra burst of freshness. Serve your warm, comforting curry alongside fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.